taking is on 4th and 5th. It is state-wise, alphabet and state-wise. So since we are from Goa, G, so we will be on the first day. Mr. Shripad Naik, North, and I representing South. So it will be on Monday.
Okay. Captain, what are the main issues of South Goa you're going to take in this session?
See, whole lot of issues for which we have been fighting. Not forgetting now Dabolim Airport. I can say they have put Dabolim Airport in ICU. It's a planned attack by this government in association with the central government. Because closing Dabolim Airport only benefits the crony capitalist and private companies like GMR, which is operating MOPA. Government is going overboard. GMR help karpa. Sadhya, they have given them a holiday. The tax, what they had to collect after certain years, they have told them relaxation till December. म्हणजे गोंयच्या लोकांचेर जनताचेर खोट मारता पोटार आनी सध्या रिणान पडलेले आसा 36,000 कोटी आमचो सरकार रिणान बुडलेलो आसा आनी ते रिकवर करपाक आमची बिलां वाडयतात इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिलां आनी GMRचे असले कंपनी कडच्यान जे कलेक्ट करपाक जाय तांकां आनीक 6 म्हयने रिलॅक्सेशन दिला म्हणजे गरिबांच्या पोटाचेर खोट आनी श्रीमंत लोकांची आनी क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्टा तांकां फायदो. So this is one issue, Dabolim Airport. Then we have our the 6 rivers, we have to get them back, which have been nationalized. Then there is our coastal belt, which is the 105 kilometers. We have to get it back, which has been handed over to MPA. The double tracking, the road expansion, this Tamnar project, which is a big lie, it's a fraud, which is being carried out. The Tamnar project, हाडपाक लागून फक्त हे व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट्स पळय येता बिचोली जावं पेडण्या जावं आख्खे गोंयभर व्हडले मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स येता श्रीमंत लोकांक हे गोंयकारांक न्ही. फॉर दॅट दीस तामनार प्रोजेक्ट दे वॉन्ट एक्स्ट्रा पावर. अदरवायज द पावर वॉट वी आर हॅव्हिंग इज सफिशियंट. वी आर हॅव्हिंग 40% पावर एट प्रेझेंट सरप्लस which the government themselves had admitted. So आनीक एडिशनल पळय जाय हे फक्त हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग हे रेल्वे इंजिन्सांक and all because of that आमचे लोकांचेर अत्याचार जाल्ले आसा. All these issues we will be fighting.